Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I tried to flick out. I thought I was going to hit you with a board then. Yeah. I don't know how to stop in this stuff, mate.
Same as normal, but you need to be a bit more aggressive with it.
I was starting to I was cruising all the way, fine. And then when I came to stop, I was like, oh no. I didn't hurt you, did I?
No.
Thank fuck for that. I hate doing that to other people.
Ellis, come and have a look outside, mate. Someone sacrificed something to gods. Yeah. Yeah. As Dan said, it's dog eat dog for that first lift today now, innit? Get me there, get Brekkie done. It's gonna snow, boys. Well, it has snowed.
It's gonna snow again. It's still snowing.
To be honest, it don't really need to snow again now, does it?
Oh, yeah. It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
After today, it'll all be washed to one side and cut up again. Ideally, I want to snow over there.
Is that what you're saying? It's just race to the top?
Yeah, get all the fresh pow.
Ideally get to the side of the mountain that nobody's up. That looks mega, that. Woo! So, the lad sold me this dream that everything's covered in 3 foot, 4 foot of snow. And first day, definitely weren't that. They were more green than they were white. And then yesterday, it tried, and it was best conditions I've ever rode in, and it turned out to be sick. We ended up boarding from first lift to last lift. So my knees are a bit rusty today, as is everyone else's, but it just carried on, didn't it? It just carried on. So we just raced to Brekkie, smashed that down, get fueled up. Now we're off for first lift, and we're gonna try and venture further into the valley, because if we can find some snow that's untouched, if people haven't gone that far yet, because it's early, it's just gonna be like surfing. So yeah, the race is on to get there first. Let's go.
You don't.
Right, so today's plan is circle the top of this mountain, then snowboard, move over to the other side of the mountain. Hopefully there'll be no one else there, because there's not a population place. And
I'll leave it a snowboard.
I'll probably have a Brekkie and do some snowboarding.
I'll leave it up now. There's still quite a few slopes that aren't open. So I might have to just keep redoing this one until everyone's done.
Visibility is low.
There's a mountain up there.
There's literally a mountain up there. 4 minutes to first lift, and then it's go, go, go for the day. It's a big race. Look at everyone queuing.
Distance to heaven is measured in gold. So if you stop along
I see what you mean about leaning backwards.
Yeah, you need to tip me to be up, my board's just going to sink.
Yeah, I sank.
This bit was nice, wasn't it?
Well, I've never done deep snow like that. So when my board went in, I can't turn.
You
I'm
just
stuck.
sit back on your back leg.
Covered Keir's camera.
So then I saw Matt do it, like riding back, and the minute I did that, my front board like rose out of the thing. I was like, but my back leg started hurting instantly.
It does, that's what, do you know when it's like this all the time? You get to the bottom, your legs are pumped. It's good though.
Yeah.
Worth it.
I've never rode in out like that. I like just wheeling like that was class.
It's rare that you get it like proper uncut like that.
Like this, there were 2 tracks before.
That one mega.
No one looked back down to the bottom.
And it was clear. There's no visibility to it. I wouldn't recommend doing it now.
Are we doing that red now?
No, we want to go across.
Are we going straight across now? Getting out. Oh, look at this. Oh.
Send it! Send it.
These lips are stamped and sent it.
Just popped into Valleygam for like a 5-10 minute beer break because Ellis just went off piste and ended up smashing his back into an ice boulder, unfortunately. I nearly lost my brand new camera, luckily found it.
My camera! I dropped it somewhere here. I have.
Yeah, you've gone over it, I think.
Don't think you just ran over it. Fuck. This one. That's that for a while. Nearly lost it. Jesus. I thought like I'd stopped on my heel and then I just kept hitting bumps still.
Now I've made like a makeshift wrist holder cable thing from my GoPro cable onto 360 now. Bosh. So I'll get some more of that in and then we'll go and get back out. But I've never experienced conditions like this. It's absolutely sick. Cheers, son. Honestly, just like gliding through off-piste takes a toll on your back legs, like, and also when you're just going down normal slopes, having to have way more compression in your knees. It's just tiring, just to make sure you absorb all bumps. But smash this down, get to the bottom, and then just keep it in all it runs. It's unreal.
We're going to stay in this area because it's not as busy as everybody everywhere else, and then I'm not sure where we're stopping for lunch. And then finishing at goal. Finishing at goal again, yeah.
I think no matter where you are.
The snow is also still falling thick and heavy. So normally I just try and, for these GoPro clips, like a nice bit of A-roll, like connecting story, but the story is just have as much fun as possible. It's go time.
No matter where we are today, what side of the valley we're on, it's been absolutely smashing it down with fresh powder, so all the slopes are going to be like this. They're going to be nice. They're touched, but there's a lot of fresh powder to go on.
They're not too chopped up, are they?
They're not too chopped up.
Just can't say anything.
And the choppy pitch wire, because it's fresh and not icy, you just slide straight through them.
I'm going to try not to hit any more skiers in the face with my snowboard. That's my objective. No more bust lips and cut cheeks.
I'm trying not to dislodge my back any further.
Let's get it.
You don't want to see the sky, cause the brightness hurts your eyes. I wish you could keep them wide open. Running low, then you're running high. Only dreaming of better times. So now you prefer the silence. Did you lose yourself again? Whatever you find, you think that you might lose yourself again. I'll be there all night and day. If you lose yourself again, I pray that you don't. But if you do, just know I'll be right ahead. So you won't lose yourself again. Did you lose yourself again? Whatever you find, you think that you might lose yourself again. I'll be there all night and day. If you lose yourself again, I pray that you don't, but if you do, just know I'll be right ahead. So you won't lose yourself again. I'll be right ahead. So you won't lose yourself again. I'll be right ahead.
Whoa!
You okay?
Oh, my knee. Oh, I didn't see that.
I didn't.
You didn't see that?
No.
Ow. Thanks, Dan. Alright. Back again.
Knee. Underneath, on the other side,
There's a rock.
there's sheer ice, and my knee just compressed into ice.
You hit a rock.
Oh,
A big rock.
even worse.
I hit one this side. I was just getting up when you came through. I was going to...
I couldn't have, even if you told me that, but I couldn't have stopped.
I get to a certain
Are you alright?
Yeah.
try turning, and then the turn pushes me over.
I told you it was sketchy.
Yeah.
I should have done it.
I think I've damaged my board.
Have you? Big time. What, underneath?
Yeah.
Scratched or?
What?
Scratched?
We've just landed on rocks.
Right. It's just unpredictable.
There's not enough powder for proper powder. If you want to stop for food, the 1350 is pretty good.
Where's that?
Just above the lift stations.
I'm going for some food soon.
Another run and then food?
Another run and food.
I'll make a few adjustments.
Rude.
We'll have another run and then...
If my back leg feels like my stomach, it's just screaming that I want some goulash.
direct to your leg.
Yeah, I'm going through those pieces and my back leg's going, goulash!
Me goulash!
We need energy! Is that food? Is that food?
Yeah.
Yes.
That food?
I'm so ready for a lunchtime bite and a pint. Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Go on, Andy, what are we doing?
So, pick it up. Pick it up with your mouth and yam it.
That's it.
Is there booze in it?
Right. Old Johnny there.
Ah, alright. Fuck it. That were amazing.
I don't think my back leg could have took much more though.
Leg was throbbing towards the end, like.
Ah, that were amazing. Wow, that was good.
Right, sit, wait for him, rest your leg for a minute. Oh no.
It's kind of like, you know, if you stop for your leg, then you're not getting it anywhere anymore. You just need to go.
Yeah, I'm gonna be off piste now.
Yeah, I was just trying to turn too much before.
Yeah.
So when I'd try and throw a turn, all snow would hit me.
Yeah, you can't turn, you've got to like slightly paddle.
I'm right back now and I'm just kind of, and then that's just...
Yeah, just back foot, just a tiny bit paddling till you turn, that's it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Turn properly.
That's what were happening to me. Joe, because it's just so ingrained in me because I've never had this. But now I'm getting used to it. It's amazing. That feeling, wow.
Unreal day, boys.
For a tartar food.
Back it.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Bush. Jake, what are you doing over there?
Smashing his glass.
To the powder.
Pow. Shit off.
So we just got back for the day. Stopped off at what's known as the posh bar for a few beers just to see it off right. For my own personal experience, gliding through that feels like you're surfing rather than boarding. Like, it was amazing. Took some getting used to like the flowiness of the off-piste, having to like sit on your back leg and only slightly turn to like glide rather than having to throw your turns in. But once I got used to it, it were insane. All the other lads loved it.
Are these the heated boys now?
So we're all feeling a bit fruity, especially after early night last night. So get boots off, get gear off, and then same as yesterday, sauna, steam room, pool, and then some good buffet grub, and then probably a few more beers because, like I said, we're feeling good. Probably one of the best days, maybe the best day of the trip so far, if not yesterday. But yeah, so hoping for the same again tomorrow. It's not due to snow, but obviously with piste splashes and that, we should hopefully have somewhat similar conditions. Have a cracking time again. Just I love a nice soft landing, mate. Mate, that's just mint.
I hope it stays, honestly, I hope it stays like this all day.
It is supposed to snow all day.
Is it?
And into tonight and then clear tomorrow.
Hello!